How to label the keys of the piano. Hello and welcome to this beginner's piano lesson with yours truly, Manchas Kazaba of the Piano Keyboard Guide YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will take a look at piano notes and keys. You will learn the notes which correspond to the white piano keys as well as the black ones. I will show you how easy it is to label all the keys of your keyboard, no matter how many it has. This includes 88 key, 76 key, 61 key, 49 key, and other keyboards. Take a look at this unlabeled piano keyboard diagram. Do you see the pattern of the black keys? If you look closely, you will notice that the black keys follow a pattern of 2s and 3s. It's a pattern of 2 black keys, followed by 3 black keys, followed by 2 black keys, followed by 3 black keys, and so on. The same applies to every piano keyboard. Location of C. The first note we shall find is the note C. What key plays the note C on your keyboard? C is played with the white key that comes immediately before a set of 2 black keys. In other words, the key that is to the immediate left of a set of 2 black keys plays the note C. There are several C notes on your keyboard. Every white key that comes immediately before a set of 2 black keys plays C. As a beginner, there is an important note that you should know. It's called middle C. How do you find the middle C on the 88 key piano? Sit at the center of your piano. The C, which is below your chin, plays the note middle C. Middle C is not exactly in the middle of the keyboard, but it's the centermost C. In sheet music, middle C is the note halfway between the bass clef and the treble clef. Notes are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet. These notes are, obviously, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These are the notes of the entire musical alphabet. There is no H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G keeps repeating. Now that you know where C is located, it's easy to find the other notes. Move to the next white key. That key plays the note D. The next key plays E. Keep going in alphabetical order to F, then G, followed by A. You will notice that we went back to the start of the alphabet. From G, we went back to A. Finally, after A, we move to B. You can continue going to C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on until you run out of keys. C, D, E, F, G, A, B are all called naturals because they contain no sharps or flats, which we will learn about later. Location of F. F is located before a set of 3 black keys. Every key before a set of 3 black keys on your piano keyboard plays the note F. Now that you've found F, it's easy to label the other white keys. Simply move in alphabetical order to G, A, B, C, D, E, and back to F. How about the black keys? What are their names? Or to be more precise, what notes do they play? Like the white keys, the black keys are named after the first 7 letters of the alphabet, except for the fact that they can be either sharp or flat. Simply put, sharp means to go higher or to move to the right on your keyboard. Sharp suggests that you should play the key that is to the immediate right of a key. For instance, C sharp means to play the key that is to the immediate right of C. C sharp is a half step or semitone higher than C. Sharp is represented by this symbol or this one. In simple terms, flat means to go lower or to move to the left on your keyboard. Flat suggests that you should play the key that is to the immediate left of a key. For instance, D flat means to play the key that is to the immediate left of D. D flat is a half step or semitone lower than D. Flat is represented by this symbol or this one, a small b. Once again, what is the key to the immediate right of C called? The answer is C sharp. This key can also be called D flat because it is one key to the left of D. The next black key is called D sharp or E flat. Then we move to F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, and lastly A sharp or B flat. As is the case with the white piano keys, the pattern keeps repeating. After B flat, the next black key plays C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, and so on. What we've talked about so far is really a simplified approach to looking at piano notes. In reality, piano notes and piano keys are not the same. Each key of the piano can represent several notes. Strictly speaking, piano keys don't really have names. Keys aren't actually called C, D, E, F, G, and so on. They just play those notes. The same keys play other notes as well. This is important to understand, especially when one is learning to read music as well as musical scales. Earlier, we saw that a piano key has more than one note name. A better way to put this is that one piano key can play more than one note. For example, the key that plays D flat can also play C sharp. When keys play more than one note, the notes are called enharmonic equivalents. So D flat and C sharp are enharmonic equivalents. The same can be said of D sharp and E flat. These enharmonic equivalents are played by the same key on the piano keyboard and sound the same on piano, but can have different note names depending on what is called the key signature and other factors. Even white keys have enharmonic equivalents. The key that plays C can also play B sharp. Yes, B sharp, since B sharp is one half step higher than B. The piano key that plays F can also play E sharp, since E sharp is one half step higher than E. And beginners often wonder whether there is an E sharp. Yes, any note can be sharp or flat. The key that plays E can also play F flat, since F flat is 1/2 step lower than F. Sometimes a piano note can even be called a double flat or double sharp, or even a triple sharp or triple flat. For instance, D is 2 semitones or 2/2 steps lower than E. And the key that plays D can also play E double flat. Double sharps and flats and triple sharps and flats are not as common. Here's a diagram of a piano keyboard showing enharmonics. The sign, which looks like the letter X, is a double sharp sign. The sharp, which looks like 2 flat signs side by side, is a double flat. Here's a full 88 key piano keyboard diagram. On an 88 key piano, the lowest key, the first note, is an A. There are 8 C's. The last note is C. There are 52 white and 36 black keys. Piano notes chart. This chart shows you the notes on the grandstaff and where they are on the piano. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to click the like button, comment, subscribe, share, do all the things that they do on YouTube. By the way, be sure to check out my book, Piano Lessons for Beginners. It's available at Amazon.com in Kindle format. It's also available at Udemy.com in course format. Piano Lessons for Beginners. It will help you take your piano playing to the next level. My name is Manchas Kazaba. Thank you so much for watching. One love and all the best.